everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a quick review testimony on some professional tips of the Yamalube lubricant marine gear case SE 80 weight 90 for your lower unit for all outboards, not just Yamaha. You can use this in everything, all different kinds of outboards, Yamaha, Mercury, Suzuki, Honda, Daihatsu, all of them. It's just a gear case oil that you put in your lower unit. Name a Yamaha, you know you can count it, you know you can trust it. I'm a charter boat captain here in the state of Florida. I've been a guide down here for over 2 decades professionally. I fished my entire life, so 50 years of fishing, boating, all that kind of stuff. I can attest to the Yamaha line of products. In my professional career, that's all I use is Yamaha. Anybody that knows me can attest to that. And if you want a good quality lubricant for your lower unit that you know that's going to be solid, that you can count on, it's the Yamalube Gearcase Lube. I highly suggest you start using this. I think you're going to just be as happy with it as I am. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.